Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Today we are going to make breakfast with oatmeal. I have fresh milk, oatmeal. I have some chili, green chili, cucumber, tomato and onion. This one we will use it for the toppings. So now we are going to start by adding our milk into the oat and let it aside to be for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we start the cooking. After 10 minutes, this is what we have. Now we'll go ahead and put it into the pot. Now into the hot water, we are going to put our oats and cook it. In another bowl, we are going to add it the cucumber and green chili, then tomato and onion. Then I'm adding in a pinch of salt. Then we mix it together. Mix everything together. Now our oatmeal is ready. We are going to transfer it into the bowl. Our oatmeal is ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.